One. So let's see how we can solve this problem, which I believe is from topic AC circuit, that is alternating current circuit. That is alternating current is one that varies sinusoidally. That is the one that changes direction periodically. Zamu ga yadda zamu solve wannan problem din wanda mun instructed ɗinta ne daga darasin AC circuit, that is alternating current circuit. Wanda alternating current shine ke canza direction with what? With time. Wanda shine dalilin da yasa yake shocking. So let's read this problem. We extracted this problem from the past SSCE question, which I believe is NACO 2024, I think. So a resistor of 500 ohm and a capacitor of 10 microfarad are connected in series across a 50 Hz 250 volt EMF electromotive force source. Calculate the reactance of the capacitor, impedance in the circuit, and take pi to be as what? 3.14. Do you understand? Wannan problem din abin da take cewa shine akwai resistor. Mun san resistor is an instrument da ake amfani da shi wajen opposing na current. That is yakan hana flow, saurin flow na current, resistor. So an hada su guda biyu, ga capacitor wanda muka san yana storing charge ne, in mun connect ne shi da CC circuit shi ma yana bada contribution wajen opposition na current. So sai aka ɗauko capacitor da resistor sai aka haɗa su in series. Do you understand? In what? Series. Kuma last time mun yi magana series connection shine head to tail connection. Head to tail connection, just as shown in this diagram. This is our what? Resistor, and this is our what? Capacitor. So when you connected this in what? We connected them in what? In series. Do you understand? One machine is symbol like capacitor, one kuma resistor. So for inductor, we have something like this, but idan muka go problem later to talk about that. Da aka connected this in series, kuma sai aka jona su da wani source wanda frequency din is what? 50 Hz, then voltage is what? 240 volts. This is the source. Do you understand? So ana san a gano reactance of the capacitor. Reactance of the capacitor, in other words, capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance. Ana san a gano opposition. The opposition caused by the capacitor. Abin da ake so yanzu a gano wani irin opposing magnitude, yanayin girman opposing na current da capacitor ke yi a wannan circuit. Yadda current din zai flowing, to da ya zo nan capacitor zai rike shi, understand zai rika opposing na shi. To da aka ce capacitive reactance, so muna son mu gano opposition na magnitude na opposition na wannan capacitor din a cikin wannan circuit. Do you understand? So let's start with the one. So this is the what? This is the diagram. So for this I, reactance of the capacitor, or you call it capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance. Capacitive reactance is denoted by what? XC. Capacitive reactance is denoted by what? XC, and is given by the formula 1/2 phi FC. 2 phi FC. 2 phi FC. I'm sorry. Capacitive reactance. That is opposition the capacitor in key. Then understand the key causing. Yes. Capacitive what? Reactance. So this is XC, which is 1/2 phi FC. Don't forget F is our what? Frequency. This one is our what? Capacity. So to set our own data, we know that our frequency is what? Our frequency is what? 50 Hz. Our frequency is 50 Hz. Then our capacitor. Make capacitor 10 microfarad is 10 microfarad. But don't forget the fact that 1 microfarad microfarad is what? 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Angani? Yawa. 1 microfarad dedicated now. 10 times 10 to 10 power minus 6 what? Farad. Microfarad. So 10 microfarad is something as what? 10 times what? 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Microfarad, she can 10 to the power minus 6. Say 10 to Magatana. So what do we have now? 10. Now it is something as what? 10 power 1 times 10 to the power minus 6. Lots of indices. The base are what? Are the same. So we just take 1. Take the base you need that there. Same with other powers. 1 plus minus 6. That is 1 minus 6, which is what? Minus 5. So this is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 farad. 10 to the power minus 5 what? Farad. And what is 5? 3.14, which is what? Given. Understand? This one is what? Given. They say we should take this 5 to be 3.142. Understand? So, so let's take these values and substitute them into this formula in order to find the capacitive reactance, that is the opposition caused by the capacitor itself. So we say it from Xc equals to 1 over 2 phi Fc. We have Xc is equal to what? Is equal to 1 by 2 times, what is phi? 3.14. 3.14 times, what is the frequency? The frequency is what? 50 hertz. We have 50 times, the first one is what? 10 to the power minus 5. 10 to the power of what? Minus 5. 10 to the power of what? Minus 5. 3. So what do we have now? So this implies that Xc is equal to 1 divided by. So wannan kana iya kyale ta idan za ta yi ma causing trouble, kana iya kyale ta sai ka simplify wannan daban. Yes, za ka yi simplify wannan daban. Za ka yi 2 times 3.14, whatever you get, then you multiply by what? 50. Kokuma kana son ka yi shortcut, you look at this, 2 times 50 is 100. 100 times 3.14, the point will move 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. It will give us what? 314. We have 314 times 10 to the power minus 5. Ilaba wani issue hakako? Yes. So this is what? This is something as 1 by 314 times 10 to the power 5. Abin da muka yi nan shi ne, wannan daidai ke da 1 by 314 times 1 by 10 to the power minus 5. Haka yake. So 1 times 1, we have 1. This time this, ga abin da muke da shi nan. Do you understand? So we have 1 by 314 times, what is this? How can we write this one? This is something as what? 10 to the power what? 5. Saboda wannan daidai yake da 10 to the power minus 5 is 1 by 10 to the power 5. So you multiply this down. So that's it. So this is equal to, what is 1 divided by 3? We have what? 0.00318 times 10 to the power what? In the opposition, understand? Opposition. Don't forget the unit of Xc is what? Is still ohms. So the Shima resisting yake. Don't forget that. So what do we have now? 0.00318 times what? 10 to the power 5 times 10 to the power 5. And then one zai move in how many places? The 1000 zai move in 3 places. 10 to the power 4, that is 10,000, they move in 4 places to the right. And this is what for our pipe, that is 100,000. To turn down 10,000, point is they move in how many places? 5 places to the right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what? 318 ohms. Therefore, XC is that. Understand? So our XC is this. That is our what? Reactance of the capacitor, or capacitive reactance is what? 318 ohms. So for the Roman figure 2, impedance. So when I give you the impedance, what I mean, what is the net resistance? What is the net resistance caused by both the capacitor and the what? The resistor. In guda biyu ne kenan. Idan kuma guda uku ne aka magana impedance, that is Z, and I can total opposition. Do you understand? Total opposition caused by both the capacitor, resistor, and the what? Inductor. In the case where we have an inductor in the circuit. Do you understand? So then when I can machine, I got total opposition, that is reactance, that is resistance. Da wannan ya haddasa da kuma wannan ya da capacitor din ya haddasa da kuma wanda resistor din ya haddasa a ciki, which is what? We denoted with letter what? Z. So impedance for this. So the impedance in the circuit, the impedance in the what? Circuit, what? Z, denoted by Z, is given by the formula. XC square plus what? Square. XC square plus what? R square. That is the capacitive reactance square plus what? R square. We obtained it from the what? From the diagram. Look at this here. You see, we have something like this. This is our Z. So this is what? This is my XC and this is my what? R. So we use what? We use Pythagoras theorem. What is Z? We know that Z square of the hypotenuse is what? XC square plus what? R square. When you take the square root of both sides, understand? One is the formula Nagano impedance, that is total resistance caused by a capacitor and the reactance. Capacitor and what? Resistor that are connected in what? In series. So what do you have? This implies that V is equals to square root of, what is my XC? From this, my XC is 318. So I have 318 square plus, what is my R? Resistor. The resistor is given, so let me check this one. Our resistor is what? Our resistor is 500 ohms. 500 ohms. So plus what? 500 square. 500 square. So what do we have? 101124. Z is equals to 101124 plus. So 500 square is what? 250,000. 250,000. An gane ba matsala ko? We have XC square plus what? R square. XC ganta na mun gano a Roman figure 1, which is 318. We square it, we get this. Understand? 101124. Then 500 square, which is our resistor, which is given in the equation. Ganta na amara that is question. When you square 500, get what? 250,000. So our Z is square root of. When you add this, what do you get? 351124. Okay, add one. This plus this, you get this. So therefore, our Z, when you check the square root, you get what? 592.56 ohms. 0.5 what? 6 ohms. Then the Shiba resistance. Konkomadami approximation nashi, which is 593 ohms to the nearest whole number. To the nearest what? Whole number. Since we have not been asked to leave it to the nearest whole number, you can leave it like this. In Bamu Shaka, the nearest whole number, Kinamatin, the question number to Simona Evan Shaka. Understand? So, in a particular about any problem, in Inshallah, the Kadu Balaka, it is very understandable. The Kadish is step by step. Thank you very much.